If you're sick and tired of risking your neck on ladders or wasting your entire Saturday scrubbing windows that still end up looking streaky, you've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 window cleaning robots that'll actually get the job done. I've done all the heavy lifting, compared the specs, and checked out what real users are saying. Make sure to check the links in the description box down below. All right, let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the ECOVACS Winbot W1 Pro, and this robot delivers seriously impressive streak-free results for the price. You're getting WinSlam 3.0 path planning technology that detects edges in just 0.02 seconds, which means it won't miss corners or fall off your windows. The dual cross water spray technology? That's where this robot really shines. That patented cross-spray design covers the entire cleaning path thoroughly, and the 2,800 pascals of suction keeps it firmly attached to both framed and frameless windows. The 60-milliliter reservoir handles about 7 large sliding doors per fill. What really stands out during testing is how quiet and efficient it operates. The app control through ECOVACS Home gives you 3 cleaning modes: Fast for quick touch-ups, Deep for serious grime, and Spot for targeting specific dirty areas. Voice prompts keep you updated throughout the cleaning process, which is pretty sweet. Here's what you should consider though. The suction power is lower compared to newer models on this list. If you have extremely tall, high-rise windows or very heavy glass panels, you might want something with stronger adhesion for extra peace of mind during operation. The value here is absolutely solid. You're getting reliable brand-name performance with smart features at a mid-range price point. For homeowners with standard residential windows who want app control and consistent results, this hits the sweet spot perfectly. At number 4, we're looking at the Tosima W3, and this budget-friendly option seriously over-delivers on features. You're getting dual-direction auto spray technology that ensures comprehensive coverage as it moves across your glass. Plus, it comes with 12 cleaning mops included right in the box. I mean, talk about value. The 3,800 pascals of variable frequency suction is genuinely smart. It automatically adjusts power based on how dirty the window is and what type of surface it's cleaning. That AI 3.0 path planning handles edge detection and creates efficient cleaning routes without constant babysitting from you. What impressed me most during real-world use is how quiet that Nidec brushless motor runs. You can literally have a conversation in the same room while it's working. The triple safety system with battery backup, position memory, and safety cable means you're not worrying about expensive accidents or broken glass. Here's the reality check, though. Edge coverage isn't quite as perfect as premium models. You might need to manually wipe the very edges occasionally, especially on larger windows. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth knowing up front if you're extremely particular about perfection. The value for the buck is absolutely outstanding. You're paying significantly less than premium brands while getting automatic spray, intelligent suction adjustment, and enough mops to last months. For budget-conscious buyers with multiple windows to clean, this represents incredible value without sacrificing too much performance. Moving to number 3, the Hobot 298 is hands down the speed demon of window cleaning robots. If you've got a ton of glass to clean and you're short on time, this is your machine. Period. It cleans 1 square meter in just 2.5 minutes. That's significantly faster than the competition. The ultrasonic water spray technology is genuinely innovative here. Instead of just spraying liquid like everyone else, it converts water into an ultra-fine mist that penetrates grime way better and leaves absolutely 0 streaks. The 9.5 by 9.5 inch cleaning cloth covers massive surface area with each pass. What really stands out is the AI smart route planning. It uses zigzag and vertical patterns depending on your window shape, and the auto edge detection is crazy precise. The UPS system with 20-minute battery backup means even if the power fails, it's not going to crash and burn on you. Here's what you got to consider though. This model requires a power cord during operation, so while the long cord with extension gives you plenty of flexibility, you're not getting that cordless freedom of the top-tier models. Just plan your cleaning route accordingly. The replaceable water tank system is fantastic for homes with tons of windows. Just swap in a fresh 20 milliliter tank and keep going. Both the app and remote control work flawlessly, giving you multiple ways to operate it depending on your preference and what's convenient. At number 2, the HUTT A1 is straight up the powerhouse you need for challenging situations. With 6,000 pascals of suction power, this has the strongest adhesion force in the entire consumer market. If you're living in a high-rise or dealing with gnarly winds, this is your answer right here. The 4 water spray nozzles with quad ultrasonic sprayers are an absolute game changer. The 150 milliliter tank covers 90 square meters on a single fill. That means most houses won't even need refilling mid-clean. The laser sensor detection handles frameless windows better than anything else out there. What impressed me most was the AI navigation with 3 cleaning paths, S-shaped for regular windows, N-shaped for tall ones, and spot wiping for those stubborn stains that just won't quit. The intelligent frequency conversion automatically adjusts suction when crossing window frame gaps, which is super smart. Here's the consideration though. At this power level, it's slightly heavier than other models on our list. Placement takes an extra second or two, and you'll definitely feel the weight difference when you're moving between windows throughout your home. But the safety features here are military grade. The 650 milliamp hour internal battery backup gives you 30 minutes of backup power, and the safety rope holds up to 145 kilograms. Voice prompts guide you through the whole operation, making it surprisingly beginner-friendly despite all that professional-grade performance. And the number 1 spot goes to the ECOVACS Winbot W2 Pro Omni. This is the absolute king of window cleaning robots in 2025. This is what happens when innovation meets practical engineering, and honestly, it's in a league of its own, folks. The game-changing feature is the dual power mode. Run it on battery for up to 110 minutes of cordless freedom, or plug it in for unlimited continuous cleaning. That 6-in-1 multifunction station is brilliant, serving as charger, control panel, stabilizer, and portable storage all in one compact unit. Pretty genius, right? The 3-nozzle wide-angle spray technology delivers 100% more water pressure and 90% more coverage than previous generation models. WindSlam 4.0 intelligent planning boosts efficiency by 30%, cleaning your windows faster while using less energy and cleaning solution. That's a win-win in my book. Here's what you got to consider though. This is the premium option on our list. The price reflects that cutting-edge technology, so if you're on a tight budget, options 3 through 5 might suit you better financially. Just keeping it real with you. The 5,500 pascal suction with 12-stage protection system means this robot will not fall, period. End of story. The ECOVACS Home app gives you complete control over everything, and it even comes with insurance protection. When you want the absolute best and you don't want any compromises whatsoever, this is it right here. Those are the top 5 window cleaning robots that'll seriously change how you clean your home. Whether you're focused on budget, power, speed, or cutting-edge tech, there's a perfect pick here for you. Don't forget to check those links in the description box to snag the best current prices. Thanks for watching.